Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Logic 5 commercial door operators feature status and diagnostic LEDs on the logic board. This video will provide a brief overview of these LEDs. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. The procedures demonstrated should only be performed by trained professional installers and service technicians. Safe operation and servicing requires that you follow all instructions and safety advisories found in the manual. To locate a trained professional installer or service technician, go to www.liftmaster.com/locate-a-dealer. When you open a Logic 5 operator, you'll find LEDs in various locations around the logic board. The instruction manual contains a diagram that is helpful in identifying each of the LEDs. There is also a diagnostic chart listing the LED names, colors, and explanations of what they indicate. The power LED is lit solid green when power is being generated for the logic board. If this is not lit, you should troubleshoot the incoming power and/or the transformer secondary. Several LEDs are helpful to indicate what command has been given to the operator, whether the door is moving or what position the door has reached. The open, close, and stop LEDs change state depending on what commands have been given to the operator from either a control station, a remote control, or the buttons on the logic board. For example, when the open button is pressed, the circuit closes between the common terminal number 4 and the open terminal number 7 on the logic board. The open LED briefly flashes yellow one time as the open push button is pressed. Otherwise, the LED is off. The close LED briefly flashes yellow one time as the close push button is pressed. Otherwise, the LED is off. The stop LED is different. This green LED is typically lit solid at all times except when the stop push button is pressed. The Relay A and Relay B LEDs will light up solid yellow whenever the door is in motion, one for the open direction and the other for the close direction. Which LED lights for which direction depends on several factors, including the handling of the specific operator. The OLS, CLS, and SLS LEDs turn on solid yellow to indicate when the open, close, or safety limit switches have been activated. If a single button control station is installed, pressing the button causes the SBC to briefly flash yellow one time when the SBC push button is pressed. Logic 5 operators have a maintenance alert system or MAS, which is triggered when a number of conditions arise that require attention or service. Each error condition causes the MAS LED to flash a certain number of times. We'll cover the MAS LED in a separate video. Click the info icon for more information. There are also diagnostic LEDs that are useful for checking the function of installed entrapment protection devices. The LMEP LED is lit solid green when monitored photoelectric sensors have been learned to the operator. When the LED flashes green, the photoelectric sensors may be obstructed or disconnected. If the LED is off, no photoelectric sensors are learned to the operator. Similarly, the Edge LED can help diagnose the functioning of an installed non-monitored edge sensor. Activating the edge causes the LED to be lit solid yellow. This LED is also lit when a light curtain is installed. Certain programmable features, such as the timer to close, have associated diagnostic LEDs. When the timer has been programmed, the timer-enabled LED shows solid green. When the LED flashes green, the timer is counting down and the door will close at the designated time. This LED is off when the timer is not active. The timer defeat LED is off until a timer defeat command is given, at which point the LED is lit solid yellow. When mid-stop has been programmed, the mid-stop LED lights solid yellow when an opening door stops in the designated middle position. Otherwise, the LED is off. To learn more about the Logic 5 status and diagnostic LEDs, please consult the manual. You can also learn more about LiftMaster products when you visit us on the web at liftmaster.com.